Astronomy Club. I'm going to basically talk to you about the last 7 or so years of our club activities. So we are a student organization at the U of A, and we got restarted in 2007. And we are primarily undergraduate astronomy majors. However, we do have some graduate students and non-majors in the club. Our main goal is to inspire and assist anybody with a passion or interest in astronomy and science. So we have research projects, outreach projects, and social events. Our group research projects involve what's called the Exoplanet Project, which is entirely student-run. And they utilize access to the 61-inch telescope on Mount Lemmon in Arizona. We also have the Kepler Data Project, in which we work with graduate students, and this is intended to try and facilitate more interaction between the graduate students and the undergraduate students at the U of A. We also have the Radio Project, and we have a faculty head of that project, but the students are involved in all aspects of the project, and they use the 12-meter radio telescope on Kitt Peak in Arizona. We also have weekly meetings in which we have science talks, which are undergraduates, graduate students, and faculty members talking about their research to the club. And this is extremely beneficial to the club because we get to learn all about current astronomy research, as well as it provides a safe space for our undergraduates to practice giving research presentations, which, as everyone here knows, is really important. So we also have group discussions during the meetings based on a topic in astronomy that is either current, new, or just really cool that someone wanted to talk about. Also, a faculty member brings up a problem to us that we try to talk about solving, talk about how to solve each week at the meetings. We also do a lot of outreach activities. We work a lot with K through 12 students, doing star parties and demos, and talking with them about what science is, what astronomy is. This picture is us at the Arizona Science Expo. We also work with public outreach, doing star parties and demos, and also talking about science. We also do group activities, social activities such as sports, game nights, movie nights, things like that. And we find that this bonds us in a way that can't really happen in an academic setting, or not as effectively anyway. So this creates really good support structures for all of the students, among classmates and among undergraduates and graduate students. So another result of this peer support structure is lots and lots of networking. We can get jobs and internships and research through the networking that we do through the club, such as if we go to the AAS with the club, we can network a lot here. We get a lot of opportunities such as going to the U of A Special Collections Library and looking at the really cool old astronomy books. And we also got the privilege to see the third mirror of GMT just after casting. So several students in the club specifically credit the club with their staying either in the major or the university. So here are a few numbers. I know scientists like numbers. So over the past few years, our AAS attendance numbers have gone steadily upwards. The lower numbers are generally the summer conferences. We have presented 30 AAS posters, many of which are on the club research. We've also published 3 papers on the club research, and 2 papers are in Europe. These are places that our graduates are currently at different graduate schools or astronomy-related jobs. And we have also had undergraduates at those REUs listed on the screen and internships or jobs like those listed on the screen. So you've heard from 6 wonderful astronomy undergraduate clubs today. This isn't all that's out there. There are so many more places that I'm sure are doing wonderful things that we've talked about and even things that we haven't. So I encourage you to attend the poster session, as Allison has done already. So it's session 160. Remember that, go do that. Yeah, I'm happy to take your questions now. We will also be holding a discussion panel up here with all